Look at this. It has fermented. So now we are going to filter it. It's ready. Wow. So guys, this is our plantain wine. You can Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to prepare plantain wine. Show you guys how to make plantain wine. So guys, let me show you my plantain. This is my plantain. This is ripe plantain. This is my plantain, and here I have clove. So I'm going to add clove to the wine. So let's get started. Now I will peel my plantain. I'll wash it. So in this container is my clean water. So I'm going to add a little clove to our plantain wine. You can add any quantity of your choice. So this is my cloves. I'll add it here. So I will cover it. Look at it. I'll cover it. So I'm going to keep it for 48 hours to ferment. Thank you very much for watching. Hello guys, so our plantain wine is ready. This is it. It has fermented. Let me open and show you guys how it looks. Look at this. It has fermented. So now we are going to filter it. I will sieve it, and then our wine is ready. plantain wine is ready. Wow! Our plantain wine is ready. This is how to prepare plantain wine. So guys, this is our plantain wine. You can use it and take with your bush meat. Let me test it. Yes? Plantain wine. Wow! Guys, this is very nice. Prepare this. I'm going to settle down and take my own with my meat, dry meat, bush meat. Any meat can go with it. Mama, you want to drink plantain wine? Do you want to drink wine? Wine. So guys, this is how to prepare plantain wine. You can see it looks like palm wine. It's plantain wine. Very nice. Plantain wine.
Mommy.
Hmm?
Stop.
Eh?
Stop.